Morning, it's Alex and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video. Today's video is my dog's birthday party. I think I actually filmed a video last year about his birthday party, but yeah, every year my family throws a big party for my dog. So this year's theme is Shark Week, which actually starts tomorrow, so it's kind of cool. It's a little like kick off to Shark Week. But I have a lot of decorating to do and a lot of other stuff to get done, so I'm taking you guys along while I get ready, and then show you guys some of the party. Oh, that's my baby. Let's go see the baby. Oh, it's dark. Also, like, went out last night with Kyle and Carissa. I'm actually feeling pretty good, honestly. I ate a lot of pizza, but I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna make some breakfast and then get to decorating.
What, baby? Is it your birthday? You excited?
I think they Daddy said I can pass them off.
This birthday present?
You've got a cooler? Oh my goodness.
I think he's scared of the noise.
Oh, you got it.
Take a peek.
What's in there, baby? Look, baby, look. Look. What's that?
You're so
Careful.
Alright, so it's already like, I'm not wearing my watch, it's like 1 o'clock. And I've just been getting stuff ready, making all these decorations, and now I'm going to hang everything up. So maybe I'll just show an after, because I don't know where to put my camera. Actually, that kind of works. Quick update. So I was gonna film myself like decorating and stuff, then my camera died, so I've been charging my camera, and now it's almost 4 o'clock and that's when the party starts. So show you my fit real quick, and then I'll go show you all the decorating I did and get the party started. So since the theme is Shark Week, I'm wearing this Jaws shirt from where'd I get it? H&M, and then my Aritzia biker shorts, and don't mind this mess, I'm like kind of prepping stuff for Hawaii, but got my Adidas Falcons on and the ankle socks. I'm probably gonna get a really weird tan today, but it's fine. I also like just straightened my hair, but I'm gonna be sweating, so it'll probably be up in like 2 minutes. Okay, got my Polaroid because I need that. And yeah, let's go show you the setup.
I want to see your outfit. Oh, so cute. You are so cute.
Oh, a big one.
Baby boy, you having a good time? Look like you're dying.
I thought it was just me.
JC, look, JC. Be nice to it.
Oh, I think he ate it.
knew I could count on you.
Sit.
Blow it out. And it's over.
Hang on.
Is that it?
That's it. No more.
That's it.
That's it.
Happy birthday.
Alright, good morning. I kind of didn't end the vlog really yesterday. I feel like I didn't really like film that much, but we had my dog's birthday, his party. Today's his actual birthday, but I'm going to the beach with my mom, so thought I'd continue filming today. Yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. My hair is a mess, but I don't want to shower because I'm literally going to go in the ocean and get disgusting, so that's that. Yeah. I don't know. I have nothing else to say. Let's go make breakfast. I'm gonna wake up the birthday boy.
Good morning, baby. Hi. Hi, love bug. Happy birthday. Hi, baby. Happy birthday.
Party aftermath. At least the balloons stayed up. So majestic.
You want to sniff?
Peanut butter. And go right under the table and investigate it.
Thank you.
What is it, baby? Jar of peanut butter?
Oh, my goodness.
Took like 2 hours to get home. Kind of fell asleep in the car, but thought I'd do a quick little haul. I literally got 3 things, but thought I'd show you guys. Put this here. Do I have tan? I literally spilled acai all over me. That's why I'm wearing this right now, but I got this shirt. It's just a t-shirt that says Salty Vibes, and then Long Branch, New Jersey, because that's the beach I was at. Just, you know, comfy beachy look. And then I really needed jean shorts because all mine are like, you know, those like when the short look was in, the low rise. Yeah, that's how all my shorts are. So I got these ones. They're by Billabong. No, I just needed some denim shorts, especially before my trip. So I got those. I really just like, I could not pass the sweatshirt up. It's also by Billabong. It's just a big white comfy sweatshirt and I'm super excited to wear it. Yeah, so back home, gonna shower and then probably go hang out with Kyle. So I'm not gonna end the vlog yet because maybe we'll do something fun. I don't know. Ooh. I always only get burnt here, like I don't understand. But I guess I did get some sun today. We literally were only on the beach for like an hour, but okay, so it's now Monday and I forgot to film last night Ended up just going to Kyle's and we made guac and had chips and guac. But yeah, that's my weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna have one more video before the Hawaii vlogs start, so probably be like, maybe I'll do like maybe I'll do like the week before Hawaii. Maybe not the whole week, we'll see. It'll be like a Hawaii prep video, but get excited for the Hawaii vlogs. I'm gonna try and film like as much as I can, and there'll probably be like 3 videos. We're going for a week, so I'm gonna try and film a lot so that I can get 3 videos out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.